Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Mahesh. In today's video, we will going to learn how to install Android operating system on VMware Workstation Pro. And for the same, two things are required. Number one is Android bootable ISO media, and number two is VMware Workstation Pro that should be installed on your computer. So let me minimize this, and we have to open VMware Workstation. Just click on create new virtual machine, click on next. Select this option, I will install operating system later. Click on next. Now from here select Linux, and Linux version is 4.x. Click on next. Now we can enter the name for this virtual machine, that is Android OS. You can change the location as well if you want, otherwise click on next. So we can increase the size as well, but as of now 8 GB is sufficient for us. Click on next. Click on customize hardware. We have to increase the memory up to 2 GB, and we have to mount the ISO media that we have already downloaded. I will provide the link for this ISO media in the description, or just put your email ID in comment box. I will share that particular ISO link with you. Click on open. Go to the display. Check this box, accelerate 3D graphics. Click on close and click on finish. Now just power on this virtual machine. Let's wait for it. Go to the advanced options, and from here just select the auto installation. Hit enter and wait for it. It will take a while to install the operating system. So we have got a prompt. You have choose the auto installation. Click yes and hit enter. Wait for it. It will take a while. It's almost done now. Now as you can see, it's asking to reboot the virtual machine. So first of all, do right click on virtual machine, click on settings, and from there we have to unmount the installation media. So check this box and click OK. Just click yes, and now select reboot and hit enter. Wait for it to reboot the system. At this particular screen, press E to edit the grub settings. Select the first one and again press E. Move the cursor with arrow keys, and now we have to replace the quiet word from the grub. So just delete it and enter no mode set space xforce VESA. I will put that command in description. You can copy it out and you have to enter it as it is. And now press enter and press B to boot the virtual machine. Again, it will take a while to reboot the system. Please wait for it. As you can see, Android is initializing now. Please wait for it. Now you can see Android is booting up. It will take a while for first time, so please wait for it. As you can see, Android is loaded now. Click on next. Select the language from here. Click on next. Again, if you want to copy your data, you can, but I am setting it up as a new device. Connect Wi-Fi if required. As of now, we don't want it. Click on continue. Select date and time. Click on next. Now you have to enter your name. Click on next. Again, you have to agree to Google terms and conditions. Click on next. So it's almost done now. Click on all set. Click on next and click on start. So now we have to select home app. Select this one. Click on always. And now we are good to go to enjoy the Android operating system on VMware Workstation Pro. We got some caution, I understand, and as you can see, we are into the Android on VMware Workstation Pro. It's completely a stock Android operating system. Have installed minimum applications only which is required to run that platform. So if I go to settings, let me maximize it. Click on about tablet and from here you can find the Android version which we have installed on VMware Workstation Pro. So friends, in this video we have learned how to install Android operating system on VMware Workstation Pro using Windows 10 operating system. So if you get some knowledge from my videos, please do subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. Thank you very much.